This one? I got
Hey, what's going on there?
What's up?
Well, you gonna go to the Bigfoot Festival this weekend?
I am the Bigfoot Festival.
Oh shit! So, you any babes there? Two?
Yeah.
What
This
kind?
guy's got them all.
What? Oh, really? So Elvis has them all.
Yeah.
So
I don't care though.
you just let him have all the babes.
Sure, why not?
Well, why don't you just take them for yourself?
A Marvel Woodsman wouldn't work out.
Oh, okay. So, what are your favorite hobbies to do?
Scaring the shit out of campers.
Oh, well, how do you do that?
I just go behind trees, let them film me, and then disappear.
You ever poop in their food while they're sleeping?
Nah,
No?
I don't want to be gross about it.
Okay. Well, what else do you do?
I don't know,
So-
hang out with my family,
So, what's your favorite kind of music?
everything.
Well,
Rap.
you play the didgeridoo out there or what?
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, Australian didgeridoo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't like today's rap though.
Oh, really? Why not? Is it too aggressive for you, or
Yeah,
you don't like profanity?
I don't mind it, just not that much.
Okay. So, what's your favorite bar in town?
This one,
What's that?
I love Hawaiians.
You love Hawaiians?
Yeah,
Okay. Well, what's the name of the bar?
Nahui.
Okay. It's,
I love this place, especially I like Hawaiians. Nice
Oh,
and
you-
chewy.
oh, okay. So you like them? They're kind of like a teriyaki pineapple flavor.
Yeah, they taste like chicken.
All right. Awesome.